For creamy, easy recipe ice cream, but absolutely delicious, then this video is for you. Hello, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Just look at that. Very soft and creamy. Let's start. I have with me here my whipping cream, okay? I mean heavy cream. So we are just going to ensure that we get that creaminess. And please just watch the screen and see how we are going to make that. I am using a gallon of heavy cream, okay? Now with this, you have to make sure that your heavy cream is chilled, okay? Yes, so this is right from the fridge, and we will just go ahead and then start with it. Just forget about what you are seeing around it. It is normal, okay? But we will continue doing that and then make sure that everything becomes perfect or how we want it. So after some few minutes, that is what we have. If you have a larger bowl, you can use that, and trust me, that will help a lot. So after some few minutes, this is where we have gotten to, and just look at that. We are on the right process. So when you get to this point, it is very creamy. You can decide to stop here, but we are not going to stop here. We are going to continue to get it very creamy, okay? And you don't have to overdo it, else you are going to get butter, okay? So make sure you take your time and then do it bit by bit. When you get tired, just put the mixer somewhere and then rest one and you continue, okay? At this point, it's also okay and perfect, but I still want it a bit creamy. So I decided to wait for a while and then get the other ingredients we will be adding to it ready before we continue. If you've watched me to this point, it means you like what you are watching. Thank you so much. Can you please like the video, share to others, leave me your comment in the comment section, and I will be very grateful, okay? Yeah, we are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please do want to follow us there for short and then long form videos. At this moment, you can just go ahead and then add your powdered sugar or your condensed milk. Should my voice has changed, I am so sorry about that, okay? Because I had to pause and then go ahead and do something or attend to something before I come back and then continue. Yes, it's not easy, but yes, we have to. That is just by the way. So what I added earlier was my vanilla, okay? That is my vanilla. Now I have my bowl here. I'm just going to take some of the ice cream we have prepared out, and then we are good to go. At this moment, I have not added any sweet to it yet. Yes, but I will be telling you all the ingredients as we continue with this. Now go ahead and then I have some syrup here, okay? You can use any pink color, anything for your strawberry, or you can use your fresh strawberry or anything, okay? I usually use the fresh strawberry when I'm making this for my customers, but today I went ahead to use this syrup, and yes, I will just make sure I mix it very well. That is strawberry syrup. Mix it very well, and then we are good to go, and I will show you the next step. Now I have my bowl here. That is what I have, or what I'm going to use, okay? I'll pour it here and then we proceed with the other one that we are going to add. I'm just going to add the raw one that we made without adding any color to it or anything to it. Okay, so we have strawberry and then the vanilla. Now I added my condensed milk to each according to my taste. Please do it according to your taste. I don't usually want it very sweet. That is why I don't buy ice cream outside. So with a chocolate one that you are seeing, I added cocoa powder to the white one, or some portion of the white one, mixed it very well, and then I poured it here. So now this is what we are going to do. We are just making sure we cover this very well, and then we keep it in the freezer. It will take about 4 to 6 hours, or the next day everything will be perfect. You can use Milo, okay? You can use Milo instead of the cocoa powder. You can use chocolate instead of the cocoa powder. Now this is the rest of the strawberry that is left, and I kept it here. We placed this in the freezer, and the next day, just look at that. Just look at how soft, smooth, creamy it looks. If you are considering to do this as a business, trust me, you will love it and you will get a lot of customers. Yes, just look at that. Absolutely perfect. And I love the chocolate. I hope you are going to try this recipe and give me the feedback. I have a lot of ice cream recipes which you can go through the videos and you will love. Some we did not use the heavy cream, or if you want a substitute for heavy cream, just go through the videos and you will get a lot of options. Just look at that, so creamy, soft, and it was absolutely delicious. The family really enjoyed this, and as you can see, we are almost done with the ice cream. I kept the rest in the freezer, and then we enjoyed it later. Okay, so try this recipe and let me know the feedback. I will be very happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Till I come your way next time, always remember I love you, and please try our other recipes as well. I will see you again with another amazing recipe, and let me know all your questions in the comments section. See you in the next one. Bye bye.